There's actually a few things that I love about this unit. The first is that the wig came pre-customized. Like, what more can you ask for? I saved a huge chunk of my time because I didn't have to worry about customizing this wig, and it is super beginner friendly. I also like that this wig is 180% density and it looks nice and full. Like, it doesn't have any gaps. It just don't look thin, and I love that. I also love how well this hair can hold a curl. Just look at the curls on this unit. I just love the way the curls came out, and I feel like the hair itself plays a big part in that. Lastly, I love how soft this unit is. Like, I can run my fingers right through it and it even looks soft. All in all, I feel like Nadula did not disappoint with this body wave wig. Hey y'all, in today's video I will be installing a Nadula 7x5 Glueless Bye Bye Knots wig. This wig is a pre-customized unit. So this is how the unit looks straight out of the package, and hear me out, before y'all start side-eyeing the baby hairs, we can fix that, so just trust the process. This unit already came pre-cut, pre-customized, and pre-bleached, so we're just gonna dive straight into installing it. I'm going in with my Even Firm Hold adhesive spray, and I'm applying one layer of that spray to install this lace. Given the fact that this unit came pre-customized, it saved me a lot of time when it came to the customization process and the installing process. Now I'm going in with my Nairobi mousse, and I'm just removing the baby hairs altogether and just slicking the baby hairs back. I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the color Level 15, and I'm going to apply this foundation on my lace to give my lace more of a natural lace look. Now I'm going in with my Carrot Care wax stick to flatten down the top of my wig. I'm going in with my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting and my brush to go over the top of my wig. And I love doing this step because this step really helps to get a nice flat foundation for my wig. Then I'm gonna go in with my hot comb on the hottest heat setting and go over the top of my wig, and this really just puts the icing on the cake for a nice flat natural looking wig. Since I'm doing curls with this unit today, I'm going in with my razor comb, and I'm going to add layers to this unit so that the curls can look nice and bouncy and a lot of volume. To add moisture and luster to the wig, I'm going in with my cheese serum, and I'm going to just evenly apply it throughout the wig. Now it's time to start styling this unit, and I'm going to be styling this unit with my wand curl. As far as styling with a wand curl, this process is more of a visual type of process, in my opinion. So I'm just going to not talk during this process. So for my baby hairs, I really wanted to go for a really light baby hair type of look. So I'm gonna go in with my Eben Firm Hold spray, and I'm going to style my edges with that adhesive spray. In with the High Beam Intense Spray to fix my parting space, just make it a little bit more thinner. Right after that, I'm going in with my Eben Wig Knots Concealer to enhance my parting space. Now it's time to comb out these curls, and I'm using a wide tooth comb for this step because I don't want to add too much frizz with a regular brush, and I don't want to lose the curl pattern as well. Going in and trimming the bottom of this wig to give it more of a blunt cut, because I feel like when I do this, the ends have like this thicker illusion type of look. Now I'm going in with my Sebastian Sharper Plus Spray, and I love this product. I feel like this product really held my curls for a very long time. So here is the final look of this wig, and I absolutely loved the outcome of this wig. That is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video. Nadula